Hello, Jefferson County. I'm Tammy Schiff, the Chief Communications Officer for Jeffco Public Schools, coming to you from my remote work location for the month of April. I'm sure this period of time has been a challenge for our community, as it has been for our students and staff in Jeffco Public Schools. On March 16th, we activated our remote learning and work plan, with students participating with their teachers in remote learning from their homes, and much of our Jeffco staff relocated to work from home as well. The district has worked hard to ensure that each student has a device to get online to participate fully in school, and we have supported families in gaining internet access and other resources, including providing ongoing free breakfasts and lunches at our grab-and-go locations throughout the county. As ongoing announcements have come from Governor Polis's office, as well as our county health officials, we've had to modify our safety precautions through social distancing, take additional precautions to stay at home, and do everything we can to keep ourselves, our families, and our fellow community members safe during this health crisis. In April, we held 2 virtual board meetings, which were also streamed for our community. On April 2nd, the Board of Education met in an abbreviated regular board meeting to address critical business items, including the district's response to the COVID-19 crisis and a budget update to outline the financial impacts on the development of the 2020-2021 school budget. Board President Susan Harmon gave a heartfelt message to the community to begin this meeting.
We as a board have nothing but unending gratitude for all of you and all of the things that you are doing for us right now. You're serving basically on our front lines as our educators.
Dr. Glass, our superintendent, also gave a short message to the community about the district's response and transition to remote learning and work plans.
I am pleased to report that your school district has responded proactively and positively to this public health crisis in an effort to be a stabilizing force in what is a dynamic and chaotic time, to support the health and welfare of all in our community, and most importantly, to ensure that learning continues for the 85,000 students that are in our charge.
The COVID-19 pandemic will have an economic impact on every community, county, state, and on a national level. The district budget will be impacted as well. We will experience immediate lost revenue from transportation, food service purchases, preschool tuition reimbursements, just to name a few. The District Finance Department will continue to closely monitor expenses, as well as respond to the opportunities for additional crisis-related grants and federal and state funding throughout the next months. Our second board meeting was a study session on April 8th. The focus of this meeting was a detailed update for the board and community provided by the district's leadership team of Jeffco's remote learning and work plan. The instruction, evaluation process, communications, health and operations, finance and staffing plans were fully discussed. The board also heard about our plans for holding in-person graduations at the beginning of August, should the situation resolve and we are able to meet in groups bigger than 50 by the time August rolls around. We can't thank our community enough for supporting our school district and our neighborhood schools and all of our students and staff throughout this extraordinary time. We are uplifted by how our community is responding to the stay-at-home orders, practicing social distancing, and also, importantly, getting outside when they are able to enjoy the springtime weather. That's been the advice of our public health officials to stay healthy through this period. We know that our community is deeply staying focused on taking care of each other, and that's warming to all of our hearts. We've got this, Jeffco. Hang in there, and we'll see you next month.